welcome to Menon's Delicacies. This is Lata here. Hope you're fine. So Diwali is coming. Today is Dhanteras. Happy Dhanteras to you and family. Stay blessed, stay safe and play Diwali safe. So today I'm coming up with the next recipe of Diwali, that is Rava Laddu. So let's start. Let's start making Rava Laddu. So I have taken 2.5 cups of Rava, 1 1/4 cup of sugar, normal sugar, I have not taken powdered sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of elaichi powder, cardamom powder, some raisins and some nuts chopped, that is cashews and pistas which I have taken chopped, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of water and 1/4 cup of ghee. So let's start. So I've switched on the gas. Now the first step is we are going to pour ghee. And let the ghee get hot. I'm going to add raisins. Fry it for some time till the raisins swell up. Now we can see that the raisins have swelled up. Now we are going to add the other nuts to fry. Let's add the nuts and we'll fry it for just 1 minute. Because I've chopped the nuts, I've not kept it whole, so this will get fried soon. Now our nuts are done. So now next step goes Rava. Now I did not have fine Rava. If you all have the zero Rava which you have, then you all can add that. I had the normal Rava. I just powdered it in the mixer grinder and I've taken that. If you all have the fine Rava, take that for Rava Laddu. It's more better. Let's stir this for almost 3 to 4 minutes. Not more than that because we don't want the color to lose much of the Rava. So our Rava is fried well. I'm going to take it out into a plate and in the same pan I'm going to add water and sugar and let us boil it to 1 thread consistency, not more than that. I'll show you that. Now as you all can see, I've taken the same pan as I said before. I'm going to add sugar. I said 1 1/4 cup of sugar. You can decrease or increase as per your preference. And I'm going to add this 1/4 cup of water. Let's give it a mix. So our sugar syrup is done. Now I'm going to see the consistency. Now let's not see this when it is hot. Let it get warm. Then only we come to know the consistency. Yeah. So we've got 1 thread consistency. Now I'm going to add all the nuts. These nuts are added in this. The cardamom powder. And the salt. 1 pinch of salt. Let's mix it. And when it comes to a lukewarm temperature, I'm going to add the Rava. I can't add it right now. When it gets warm, we will add the Rava. So our sugar syrup has become warm now. Now we'll add this Rava and mix it well. And we'll close the lid and keep it for half an hour and then we start making the laddus. See, it's very easy. I've not added milk. You all want, you all can add the milk. I've not added milk because you can't store it for a long time if you have added milk. But if you're going to finish it soon, then you can add milk and make it. I've added water, which you saw. So this is mixed well. I'm just going to close this for half an hour and keep, and then we'll start making laddus. So now we are opening the lid. We kept it for almost 30 minutes. We'll mix everything nicely. Now this was kept for 30 minutes. You can keep it for 1 hour also. Just for the sugar water, that is sugar syrup, to mix with the Rava and everything nicely. Now we'll start making the laddus. So the texture is good, so I can make the laddus fast. See, Just do it this way so the laddus come off in shape. I'll keep it here. Start making like that, each one in the same size. See, it's looking nice, right? So our rava laddu is done. Now with those rava which I have taken, I have got at least 22 rava laddus. So make this way. So our rava laddus are done. Now I have not used milk here. I have used water. If you want to use milk, you can use it, but you will have to consume it within 3-4 days. If you're using water, then you can keep it stored for at least 10 to 15 days. And if you have liked the recipe, please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. Thank you.